3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。凌晨2點，熱帶風暴蝴蝶集結喺香港西北偏西，大約300公里，即係北緯22.9度、東經101.3度附近。預料向東北移動，時速大約係28公里，橫過廣東同廣西交界一帶。同蝴蝶相關嘅強風區正影響珠江口一帶。現時本港多處吹強風，西部高地間中吹烈風，而蝴蝶嘅外圍雨帶亦正為廣東沿岸帶嚟狂風驟雨。預料蝴蝶會繼續向東北方向移動。今早喺本港西北大約係300公里掠過，3號強風信號會至少維持到今日中午，除非蝴蝶喺廣東內陸維持較高強度，並採取較為接近珠江口嘅路徑，否則改發8號信號嘅機會甚低。按照現時預測，隨住蝴蝶逐漸遠離同埋減弱，本港今日下晝嘅風力係會逐漸緩和。雖然星期一同埋星期二蝴蝶已經逐漸消散，但係活躍西南氣流會為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨，市民請保持警惕。海面有大浪同埋湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，並停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲同埋橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高陣風係每小時69、55同埋50公里，最高陣風分別係超過每小時99、71同埋58公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 2 a.m., tropical storm Wu Tip was estimated to be about 300 kilometers west-northwest of Hong Kong, which is near 22.9 degrees north, 111.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move northeast at about 28 kilometers per hour across the vicinity of the boundary of Guangdong and Guangxi. Strong winds associated with Wu Tip are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Locally, strong winds are prevailing over many places, occasionally reaching gale force on high ground in the western part of the territory. The outer rain bands of Wu Tip are also bringing squally showers to the coast of Guangdong. Wu Tip will continue to move northeastwards, skirting around 300 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong this morning. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon today. Unless Wu Tip maintains a higher intensity over inland areas of Guangdong and adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary, the chance of issuing the signal number 8 is rather low. According to the present forecast, with Wu Tip moving away from Hong Kong and weakening gradually, local winds will moderate progressively this afternoon. Although Wu Tip will dissipate gradually on Monday and Tuesday, an active southwesterly airstream will bring heavy showers to the coast of Guangdong. Members of the public should stay on the alert. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Chengchao, and Waglan Island were 69, 55, and 50 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 99, 71, and 58 kilometers per hour respectively.